Assalamu alaikum students. Now we will start the next topic, that is the backward difference table, and this is very similar to the forward difference table. As you can see on your screen, the table, in this table we have values of x, values of y, and inverted delta y. Okay, as we know that how to find these values of delta y, delta square y, delta cube y, delta raised to power 4y, in as we have learned in forward difference table. Here, how can we find inverted delta y? As you can see, this is same. Inverted delta y1 is equal to y1 minus y0. Okay, and we will write this inverted delta y1 in the middle of y1 and y0 and y1. The next is inverted delta y2, that is equal to y2 minus y1, and similarly inverted delta y3, inverted delta y4. Okay, and how can we find inverted delta square y? The same, this will be equal to, ये किसके इक्वल होगा देखें, inverted delta y2 minus inverted delta y1. Clear? Similarly, we can find inverted delta square y, okay, and y3, and inverted delta square y4. Clear? And what is next? Inverted delta cube y3 and inverted delta cube y4. We can also find it very easily. And the last one is inverted delta raised to power 4y, and this will be equal to, क्या होगा, किसके इक्वल होगा ये, inverted delta cube y4 minus inverted delta cube y3. Okay, बट द डिफरेंस इज, यहाँ पे डिफरेंस एक ये भी है कि हमारे पास जो फॉरवर्ड डिफरेंस टेबल था उसमें हम लेते थे डेल्टा वाई नॉट, डेल्टा y1, delta y2, and delta y3. Okay, here we are using inverted delta y1, inverted delta y2, inverted delta y3, inverted delta y4. And for inverted delta square y, we will start from y2, y3, and y4. For 3, we will start from inverted delta cube y3, and we will write inverted delta cube y4. Okay, and for the last one, we will write inverted delta raised to power 4 y4. So this is the way to find the backward difference table. And why this is encircled, this one, because we will use these values. These values we will use for Newton's backward interpolation formula. Okay, we will use these values for Newton's backward interpolation formula. So what is Newton backwards interpolation formula? As you can see on your screen, this formula is equal to f of x. Okay, f of x is equal to yn plus p inverted delta yn plus p into p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial inverted delta square yn, and plus p into p plus 1 p plus 2 divided by 3 factorial inverted delta cube yn. Okay, this is not same like Newton's फॉरवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फार्मूला. उसमें क्या होता है, उसमें तो हमारे पास था y नॉट था प्लस p डेल्टा y नॉट था प्लस p इंटू p माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाय 2 फैक्टोरियल डेल्टा स्केयर y नॉट था. ठीक है, सो दिस इज नॉट सेम लाइक न्यूटन्स फॉरवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फार्मूला. इसमें हमारे पास वैल्यूज होती हैं yn की, डेल्टा yn और p प्लस 1, इस तरह से हम वैल्यूज लेंगे. And what is P here? This P, please note down here, P is equal to x minus xn divided by h. Okay, x minus xn divided by h. Here P is equal to this one. Please note down this formula and also the value of P, so that we can find some question, we can solve some question by using this formula and using the value of P. And also we will use this backward table. Okay, backward, this is backward difference table, you can see, and this is the formula, Newton's backward interpolation formula, to find the functions. Now next we will solve some question by using this Newton's interpolation backward formula. The question is, as you can see on your screen, the question is, estimate the function's value at x is equal to 0.65 from the given data. And you can see here, this is the value of x, this is the value of f of x. Okay, and this data is equally spaced. As you can see, 0.2 minus 0 करेंगे तो 0.2 आएगा, 0.4 minus 0.2 वो भी क्या आएगा, 0.2 आएगा. So here h is equal to, what is h? H is equal to 0.2. Now we will complete this table. First of all, we will write all the values of x. X की तमाम values को आप लिखें. Please write down all the values of x and then write the values of f of x. इन तमाम values को लिखें to complete this table. After that, we will find inverted delta f. Okay, और वो कैसे आएगा? We know 0.46 minus 0.12 is equal to 0.34 आ जाएगा. Similarly 0.74 minus 0.46 0.2 आ जाएगा. And similarly you can find all other values. Okay, next is inverted delta square f, and this value is equal to 0.2 minus 0.34, it will be equal to minus 0.06. 0.16 minus 0.28 is equal to minus 0.12, and next is 0.30 minus 0.16 is equal to 0.14. And similarly we can find inverted delta cube f and inverted delta raised to power 4f. Please complete this table first of all, and this is a backward difference table. Okay, hope so आप सबने ये टेबल कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा. What is next? Now we need to find the function and also the value of function at point 0.65. Here हम सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि हमारे पास what values we have. xn, what is xn? Because we know p is equal to, अब p की वैल्यू क्या होती है? p is equal to x minus xn divided by h. Okay, so what is x? x वो होगी जहां पे हमने फंक्शन की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. Here x is equal to किस वैल्यू पे फाइंड करना है? We can put here 0.65. 65 हम पुट करेंगे x को, और you can find the function. First of all x को as it is रहने दें और आप फंक्शन फाइंड कर लें, और you can put here the value of x, यहीं पे आप पुट कर सकते हैं. Okay, and what is xn? xn की वैल्यू क्या है? We can see in the table. xn की वैल्यू क्या है हमारे पास? This is xn, this is xn, this the value 0.8, क्योंकि फर्स्ट वैल्यू ऊपर जो हमारे पास वो x नॉट है. ओके, वो x नॉट की फॉर्म में x1 x2 x3 and x4, and here x4 is equal to xn. Clear? And what is, because we are using, now we are studying Newton's backward interpolation formula, and this is backward difference table. So this is the value of xn, और ये वाली वैल्यू क्या होगी, this one, this is equal to yn. ओके, ये yn हमारे पास होगा. एंड व्हाट इज दिस, ये किसकी वैल्यू है, we can see in the table what is the value of this one. This is equal to 0.3 is equal to delta yn. ये हमारे पास डेल्टा yn की वैल्यू आ जाएगी दिस वन. ओके, ये तमाम वैल्यूज हम यहाँ से लेंगे क्योंकि बैकवर्ड हमारे पास है, तो जो नीचे वाली तमाम वैल्यूज है वो हमारे पास आएंगी. So now put the values from this table. xn 0.8 है, yn 1.2 है, h हमने ले लिया. p को solve करें, when you will solve the p it will comes -3/4. Now using Newton's backward interpolation formula, अभी मैंने आपको बताया था, ठीक है. yp you can write, or you can write it as f of x. You can say this is equal to f of x. Okay, that is equal to yn plus p inverted delta yn plus p into p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial inverted delta square yn and so on. Okay, now put all the values. अभी हमने देखा yn की वैल्यू 1.2 है, ठीक है. what is p, p is equal to -3/4 as it is. इन्वर्टेड डेल्टा yn टेबल में था 0.3, वो हमने पुट कर दिया. देन p into p plus 1 you can see it here divided by 2 factorial is equal to 2 आ जाएगा हमारे पास. एंड डेल्टा इन्वर्टेड डेल्टा स्क्वायर yn हमारे पास जो टेबल में वैल्यू है उसकी, we can see it, that is equal to 0.14. वो हम पुट करेंगे इसमें. क्लियर, इन तमाम वैल्यूज को हम पुट करेंगे. डेल्टा इन्वर्टेड डेल्टा क्यू yn की वैल्यू भी हम देख सकते हैं, that is 0.26, एंड इन्वर्टेड डेल्टा रेस्ट पावर 4 जो yn है हमारे पास वो 0.32 है. So you can see here we put all the values in this formula and just simplify it, और at the end आप देखेंगे जो फंक्शन की वैल्यू हमारे पास आ रही है at point 0.65, that is equal to 0.944687. This is the way to find a function by using Newton's backward interpolation formula, and here we used Newton's backward difference table. We use backward difference table and we use Newton's backward interpolation formula.